Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about XPL Plasma targets updates with my customer Chris. What's going on after listing? Zone of interest. Let's dive in, guys. Once again, like you know, after listing we work with initiation accumulation pump model. So just a quick video because you can't do everything by yourself. Just go and watch that free educational video how to work with them. So here, this is a zone of fixation swing trades, usually one tick. Second one, this is going to be the zone of first zone of interest. It's a zone where more than okay, start use DCA. Now, no makes sense to start use DCA. Of course, up to you. Guys, I just share my idea on my channel. This is the next zone of interest, the best zone to buy. The logic is, for example, you buy in here, 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 here. For others, your average entry 38, here 300%, you fix some profit or withdraw initial deposit and ride with the new all-time high with the free tokens. It's so obvious, so definitely the XPL going to be the top gainer of this cycle. How high we can pump, nobody knows, but let's focus now locally only on this zone. No makes sense to talk about where will be the top of the top for XPL. Nobody knows, guys. That's why let's focus now only on zone of interest. After that, when we reach these zones, for example, build some levels, you know, we get some history on the charts. We can talk about a potential new all-time high targets for this token based on the metrics and all of this data. So this is a zone of interest. It's a start, by the way, on a BitGet, because on a BitGet, it's lowest listing price, 4 cents. On other exchanges, it's way higher. That's why if you use that model, but on other exchanges, our zones will be totally different. That's why I try to find the lowest listing price to build the lowest zones of interest to reduce the risk, right? And increase the potential risk rewards. So if some token not drop to this zone of interest, you just skip it. If you feel comfortable to buy at $1.40, you can buy. I just share my ideas. So here, 65, 81, 51, 22. Many cases we saw when the token hold the line here and go higher, not touch the best zone to buy. So that's why it's only up to you to buy here or wait the lower price. If you want the best zone is here. Keep in mind the invalidation of idea if the token dump on the listing price, because every single strategy, every single trading idea get a rules, get a condition and invalidation. Got it. So this is zone of interest. For example, next step is 30 and 21 cents. Can we drop from $1.39 to 21 cents? Yes. Why not? Guys, never say never. You can open the charts of Celestia and double check how it goes from $20 to under $2. So that's why, guys, never say never. Even for the best tech, the best fundamental, the best hyped project ever, never say never. Take a look now, guys, with my custom indicator set. What's going on now with this token, but of course on a small time frame. So can we go, by the way, can we go from now to the top? Yes, of course, like Celestia. How it will end it after the months, you probably know. So ADZ, no accumulation. We just in the middle on 4 time frame. Of course, it's just a fresh new token. Guys, you can say this is model just random. What do you analyze? We just get only 2 days like this token exists on the markets. Guys, you can open any token which listed on major exchanges, Zone 22, Zone 25, use this model and you can find out how this model works and where we stop it. Of course, some tokens invalidate ideas like Starknet or Aevo. So that's a point, but we got a rules. So now ADZ just in the middle on 4 time frame, 1 hour time frame. We just in the middle. So this is not accumulation zone. Even on 1 hour time frame, no accumulation signals on the direction indicator. 30 minutes time frame. On 30 minutes time frame, this is accumulation. So this is what I would like to see, for example, on 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, because 30 minutes time frame is not enough, you know, to start go all in into token. That's why the market needs to come down after listing, you know, at 65, everybody gonna scream, this is a scam. At 51, everybody gonna scream, this is a fraud, and all of this stuff. The history always repeat. And when we find a support, I'm more than sure we're gonna bounce to the new all-time high. So no signals to buy. Here was so obvious, signals to sell. But it's only a 30-minute time frame. That's why, guys, there's a lot of signals because it's just a small time frame. We need to wait the higher time frame main indicator signals. So this is a market mood indicator. This is just a optimism. So this is not a disbelief. So no, it's still optimism, still a 3 hour on 4 hour time frame. So this is also not a time to hop in. Money power, guys, no money inflow on the 4 hour time frame. We on over the middle line, so it's bearish, basically bearish one. 1 hour time frame, you can find out how the whales distribute some bags, maybe with the leverages, we can't know. Here was a 13% drop after the money outflow. Here's the every side bearish that we're going to see, and the money outflow today, and we drop it down. Here it was a candle, and we drop it down like 16. So with the second leverage, not with 10x leverage, it could be like 1,160% profit if you trade with leverages. But guys, of course, always trade with a stop loss. So even on 1 hour time frame, no money inflow. Here on 30-minute time frame, yes, some money inflow, but it's like a small pullbacks on maybe from retailers, not enough power to push the price higher, not enough volume, of that retail. So 1 hour time frame, guys, no bullish signals yet. Trade on, sell, only distribution. 4 hour time frame, sell. Here's a sell, buy back, sell, buy back, but it's just a tiny bounce. That's why, guys, you see everything by yourself. You can add alerts and wait the notifications. Let's find here, by the way, how the notification looks like. So you saw me crossing the level what I posted in the last video. By the way, I don't remember exactly. Oh, here created the signal for strong buy signal on Cyan was created March 14, and imagine only in September 2025 this alert triggered it. So everything not random. It's not like a mass, you all the time get like random signals. No, just by logic, because this indicator got a pretty good win rate. But of course, it's not a magic. Here, the buy line now, it's 23 level by FIP, 97 cents, 93. It's a buy line. How to work with the indicator set, guys, I highly recommend you also go and watch the tutorial. So I will not waste the time in explaining what all these levels means. If you watch this channel, I guess you know. So this is a buy line, but it's only, guys, on 30 minutes time frame. We need to see the same story, but on 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, 12 hour time frame. So this is not what we're looking for. So 97, 94, it's buy line. Most likely we're gonna test it. Take profit line is $1.94. Exit line $2.18. It's for intraday scalp. Fundamental value, it's 73 cents. I'm more about the test of the buy line, maybe bounce, and gonna be tested the 65. Maybe not. We can't know, guys. But I share with you my zone of interest, what we're looking for. I hope you like this video. Right, please send a comment. What is your realistic price target for next, let's say, months? Not talk about a potential all-time high, but I believe, yes, we're gonna hit the so high price targets. If you like to trade with my customer, like I said, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.